Project Taco. Oh, excuse me. Project Tahoe Part 2. Let's take a look at these mud guards I put on, and they fit real nice. Maybe it'll keep some of that slop off of the running boards and stuff. And that's kind of a problem. So I got those on there. And now I'm working on the rear toolbox tray. I got my toolbox out, and I had this tray here that goes in the back of the the truck, and it was a manual with locks, and I'm putting this 12-volt powered actuator on there, and I had to beef it up with some bracing, had to do a little drilling, some welding, and I should have that in there pretty quick. Okay, I was able to get the toolbox back in there. I got the tray back in there, and I got the switch mounted right there. I had to pull all this back a little bit to get the wires back in there, and I just tapped it into the 12-volt power outlet, and it is protected by a 20-amp fuse, and that seems to be adequate. So what I'm going to do now is show you how it works. I start to retract it out, and when it gets out a little ways past the seat, I open up the lid. And we continue to, it's a lot slower than I really wanted, but with the weight of the toolbox and everything, anything faster would be really difficult to push out the weight. So it takes about 45 seconds to come all the way out. I do have a momentary on switch. It's momentary on, off, momentary on. I'm going to try to find an on, off, on switch so it stays in the on position, because the motor has an automatic stop in it, and it'll stop automatically. So, really that's far enough, but it does come out farther if I need to. That's probably all the farther I need it, but I'll let it go all the way. There you go. It's all the way out. And now, if I can carefully take this off of there without making a big jerking noise. You can see the underneath. You got the actuator under there. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's all the way back there. I had to weld those braces in. I'll come around this way. I don't know if you can see that or not, but had to do some extra bracing on that to get it all to work. So now this should work out real well. So now to go back in, and when I get almost to the back, I'll shut the lid. You can see I got some turnbuckles here to hold the box solid, so that it's not going to move around, or if I get in an accident, it's not going to hit me in the back of the head. It's all bolted down, so very slow, but I think with a different switch, it'll be a little more convenient. I could just push it, and it'll automatically come out and stop. Now I've been far enough to shut the lid, and this is my anti-rattle device here. That keeps it from rattling. Okay, here we go. It's like watching paint dry. But before, manually, there was so much weight that it was uncontrollable. Like if it was on the slightest incline, I could not move it, or I couldn't push it back in. It's just too heavy. I would estimate between 400 and 500 pounds that toolbox weighs. So There we go. That's all for now.